Hello friends, on this video I will show you how to turn on accessibility menu shortcut on Realme mobile phone. First of all, you have to go on setting, then you have to scroll down. You can find your accessibility, or you can search here accessibility menu. You have to search accessibility menu. Then you can find your accessibility menu, click here. Then you can find your accessibility menu, click here. Then you can see here accessibility menu shortcut. If you want to turn on, you have to allow here. Then click on got it. Then you can see here accessibility menu. You can click shortcut from here. You can see. Then if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.